Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Garden Basics Elongated Self-Watering Planter. If you're thinking about growing herbs at home, the Garden Basics Self-Watering Planter is a great place to start. It's the perfect size for your windowsill, countertop, shelf, workstation, or balcony, measuring 16 inches wide by 5 inches deep. Plus, because to the water-saving design, you only have to add water once a week. It also features a water level indicator, which lets you to monitor the level of the water at any moment, which is a lifesaver for new herb gardeners. Drain holes at the bottom. Suitable for indoor or outdoor, balcony, windowsill, tabletop, shelf, etc. Each coconut coir disc becomes a 1 quart of fluffy plant fiber after using 0.5 quart of water. There is very little nutrients in the coir soil, so it is best to add some fertilizer after adding water to expand it, so that it can be used for a long time. Just add some fertilizer at the right time. It can be used in a variety of environments, whether it is for home, apartment, office, desktop, outdoor or indoor. It will complement your home environment. Rectangular flower pots with a length of 40 centimeters. Our second best planters for indoor plants is Fox and Fern Fiberstone Plant Pot. The sleek form and lightweight construction of this Fox and Fern plant pot make it stand out. It appears to be built of solid stone, but it is actually a composite of stone and fiberglass, making it considerably lighter and easier to move. This indoor planter can be placed on the floor, on a tabletop, or on a plant stand up high. There are 2 hues and a choice of finishes to choose from, including stone black and matte white. You can use a drain plug to either seal the pot or allow drainage. The wide lip of the pot reduces the diameter, which is the most common complaint about this indoor planter. If you're on the fence about the size of the pot you're ordering for your plant, go a size larger just to be safe. Up to 70% lighter than ceramic or concrete. Our Fiberstone plant pots are frost and UV resistant, making them ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Note, the exterior feels silky smooth like stone, while the interior is rough. These Fiberstone flower pots also feature a wide lip on the rim. This is well-designed planter with removable plug. These pots have a convenient drainage hole, to allow excess water to flow out and keep your plants at a perfect level of hydration. Keep the plug in for indoor use, to prevent water damage on your floor. Third pick in our list is Umbra Trig Hanging Planter. The best indoor planters are just as important as your plants in terms of aesthetics. This one-of-a-kind planter has a striking design that looks fantastic when hung on the wall. This indoor planter for walls is best for ferns and succulents, but due to its vertical configuration, it is limited in size. Smaller plants with shallow roots thrive in wall-mounted pots. Because there are no drainage holes, think about what kind of plant you want to put inside and how you'll water it. These pots are ideal for use in corridors, restrooms, kitchens, and other areas where floor or table space is restricted. Smaller versions of these planters are also available, as well as complementary tabletop choices. Number 4 in our side is Lechuza Self-Watering Indoor Planter. Indoor planters with self-watering capabilities make houseplant care easier and less likely to be mistaken. The Lechuza Classico Indoor Planter, which comes with a water reservoir and an easy-to-read water level indicator, is a simple method to ensure that your plants never go thirsty without having to reach for the watering can on a daily basis. This self-watering plastic container is made by a German company known for producing high-quality planters. This Lechuza variant, with a diameter of 21.5 centimeters, is suitable for small to medium houseplants. One happy customer said that she only needs to water her plants every 1 to 3 weeks and that the water level indicator made it easier for her house sitters to keep track of when to water each plant. Let's watch more.
You know, plants and flowers truly do brighten up our lives, but unfortunately, we often don't have the time or the proverbial green thumb to enjoy them for all their beauty. Well, Lechuza planters offer the perfect solution. with a unique design that's both functional and fashionable. Hello everyone, I'm Mark Oliver, and I'd like you to join me as we discover the secret of Lechuza planters and their innovative growing system. At the heart of it is the original Lechuza sub-irrigation system. Now what this means for you is that you'll spend a lot less time watering and more time enjoying your favorite plants. Whether you travel frequently or simply have trouble finding time to care for your plants, Lechuza is ready to be your very own personal plant sitter. Here's how it works. With the water reservoir at the bottom of the planter, the Lechuza sub-irrigation set provides your plants with the exact amount of water and nutrients they need for optimum growth for up to 3 months. Caring for plants has never been so easy. The Lechuza sub-irrigation set comes standard in all Lechuza planters, and assembly is very simple. For outdoor use with high planters, you'll want to remove all drain plugs in both the planter and the liner. Excess rainwater will then run off through the planter, delivering valuable nutrients to the plant. Within areas that receive a substantial amount of rainfall annually, you may never have to add water to your Lechuza outdoor planter. Simply check the water level indicator periodically and water on an as-needed basis. For indoor use, the drain plugs remain firmly in place. Now place the separator with the water supply shaft into the liner. Insert the water level indicator into the supply shaft. Then place the cap on the water supply shaft. And that's it. After assembling the sub-irrigation set, spread the provided Lechuza pond evenly over the separator for proper drainage. You see, unlike expensive hydroponics, you can use any of your favorite plants which were raised in soil, even those you already have at your home. Lechuza is simply a better solution for you and your plants. And you'll want to place good quality potting soil over the Lechuza pond layer, and be sure to leave enough room for the roots. You don't want to neglect the roots. Then, pot the plant into the liner, fill the liner with soil, and press firmly. Now for models that require it, place the 4 provided distance tubes in the preformed corners inside the planter. Now you can place the liner in the planter. With its unique interchangeable liner system, you can change out your plants as often as you like, easily and effortlessly. Over the next 3 months, water your plant as you would normally do by pouring water on top of the soil. This is the time the roots need to grow and reach the water source. After this growing phase, fill the reservoir with the water supply shaft until the water level indicator shows max. From now on, your plant is supplied with water for up to 3 months without the need for further watering. The Lechuza self-watering system is based on years of experience by professional interior landscapers and is designed for all plant types and species. Functional, fashionable, ingenious. That's how I feel about these Lechuza planters, and I guarantee you will too. You will find that Lechuza really is the secret to having worry-free, beautiful plants.
Number 5 in our top 5 best planters for indoor plants list is Cole & Mason Indoor Self-Watering Garden Planter. The built-in reservoir contains up to 10 ounces of water, and the indoor planter is enclosed to reduce evaporation. The felt pad, which comes in a package of 4, helps thirsty plants to take up water as needed. While the planter may be smaller than imagined for some, its compact form may be ideal for smaller kitchens. With the help of a herb planter, such as this self-watering alternative, you can always have fresh herbs on hand. This planter was created specifically for growing herbs and is made of carbon steel with a felt pad for easy self-watering. The Fresh Herb Keeper comes with 3 removable dividers allowing for a variety of herbs to be stored in the same container and with varying quantities. The refill window makes it easy to monitor the water level in your Fresh Herb Keeper. The Cole & Mason Fresh Herb Keeper can be easily stored in your refrigerator door and keeps herbs lasting up to 10 days longer. The Cole & Mason Self-Watering Potted Herb Keeper is an attractive and highly functional tool for giving longer life to your fresh herbs. This fuss-free plant pot does not require you repot. Simply insert a hydro felt pad under the retaining arm and place your potted herb in the container. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.